All right, so we got all kinds of shit going on. We got new gears and we got a NAZA GPS puck. Sounds quieter already.
Altitude.
Heading home.
Oh, it's not windy at all. Woo! That's a little windy. But that is definitely quieter. Much quieter. I don't hear gear noise in that whatsoever. Oh my God, that's so much quieter. Sounds like the 412 now. Okay, so now we're going to be trying GPS. There you go. Where's Gonzalo?
I
have it in GPS right now. Yeah, pretty much. I can. So I'm just giving forward cyclic. It's not perfect. It did come down a little bit. It's not as good as the newer shit.
That breeze
Yeah.
pushing it too.
But yeah, see, it reduces everything down. If I give it just yaw.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can. The light is in the front of the doghouse. There's a. I still can't see it. Oh, you barely see it. See it?
Yeah.
See the green?
Yeah.
Right at the 407. I had to cut a hole there so I could see it. But I mean,
yeah.
Now if I flip out of it,
Normal.
now it flies like regular. And the Addy mode is just supposed to keep the altitude.
Right.
But, you know.
Yeah, the gear noise is just...
Oh my God, it is so much quieter now.
Brake mode.
I should have pointed it that way. It's kind of going. "Ah." But I would say that was a successful test. It sounds better. GPS held.
Yeah, it was nice.
And Gonzalo didn't see a fucking thing.
The antenna has to be.
All right, let's play. Oh, just for shits and giggles. Because now that I've got this thing hooked on phonics with the still has all the satellites. That's fucking awesome. Let's make sure everything is off. Everything's
Heading hold. Brake mode.
there, down. Okay. Let's put this one in. Tuck that down underneath there. Get this one in. Okay, we cleared everything out. And there. We'll have to see how far out that we actually fly. I know we have lights and all that, but okay, let's just see.
Hover.
The Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Hover.
green.
Normal.
I've seen green and red solid lights at the bottom before.
Yeah,
It's interesting.
it's kind of cool.
It is. Have you tried it with the bucket?
Okay, why do I not have my other ones? That's not right.
Plugged in right?
Wonder if I unplug something.
You have to if it's not working.
I must not have done something right. Either that, or I didn't get it into the right spot on the receiver. That's probably more than likely, because it's, yep, I don't have my landing lights or my wigwags. Well, that's sad.
What does that mean now?
Nothing. Just means I don't have wigwags and landing light.
I like the wigwags.
I know. I think I'm plugged into the wrong damn thing.
Fix it?
Not right now. I have to take cowlings off and shit like that.
Oh.
I know. God damn it. Doesn't mean we won't fly. You know, at least my tail's on and the wire's not hanging out there trying to get into the tail rotor. I don't know what you're talking about.
Afraid of some wires. Maybe I was.
Just a little.
You said that, I was like,
This is a-
there's a very.
Oh yeah, that's
a big possibility.
That's a big possibility.
I was getting scared, dude.
Auto 1. Auto 2.
It is so much quieter.
Heading home.
Cover.
Hey Gonzalo, you want to fly it?
5 minutes.
He's not paying attention, this son of a bitch. That's not bad though. Yeah. Do they have GPS on it? Won't do that?
They do not do this.
What the fuck? What good is that?
Yeah, I do. I mean, I can keep with it forever, and I could never get this.
That holds pretty damn good.
So this is what it's like when it's set up properly.
Apparently so. Because I didn't calibrate it or anything. I just threw it on.
Okay.
And this is what it did.
Station keeping extremely well.
Yeah, it's holding.
Altitude and
So there, yeah, see now you have to fly it.
okay, and it's completely normal. You're not.
This is in normal.
You're not fighting anything. You're
No.
not trying to frustrate you. Minutes.
There we go, now we're a little bit better. I think I have my lights plugged into the wrong port on the receiver, so I don't have landing lights or my wigwags.
Oh my god.
Sucks, this thing is not a Christmas tree like it's supposed to.
Yeah, it's not.
What kind of head speed are you running with it?
1250. But you do have to come to a hover.
Well, you have to stabilize it first.
You got to stabilize it so
And
it
then
says,
you-
okay, this is...
You can't just Cover. look it on the fly.
Yeah, so you get it fairly stable, and then, you know, you have control over it.
Even in the stabilized mode.
Right, so there's, you know,
Up and down as you go.
2 minutes.
So you're not touching the cyclic at all.
I'm not touching a cyclic at all. It's best pirouette I've ever done.
Very
So
smooth.
it does move. It's not like the H1s that'll freaking hold it there like a damn drone.
Oh, it's
But
smooth.
this is Cyclic is kind of weird in the GPS mode. It constantly wants to fight it.
Okay.
But if I'm just giving it forward, I'm not giving it anything else, and then I give it a turn with the yaw. So that's all GPS. And if I let it go,
50 seconds.
comes to a stop.
Okay.
Now I'll flip it back into manual mode.
Normal.
I was a little up on the collective, but
40 seconds.
It's a pretty smooth transition.
yeah, as long as you're in a hover,
30 seconds. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, battle 1.
8 seconds is that.
It's kind of a screeching sound. What is that?
that's just the lash in the gears.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there's quite a bit of play between
the tail and
the tail and the mane.
Yeah, I know. It's at least 3-4 millimeters. You can.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. More like
more
5 or 10.
Okay.
It was like a quarter turn on mine.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really liking this now. We're gonna be testing out the long line on it tomorrow. Let's see how that's gonna work.
So you got a spotter for
Yeah, well, it'd be like this. Well, that was the whole purpose of getting the NAZA with that hold position. To be able to come in,
okay.
get close, flip it into GPS mode, and drift over to it, and come down and have it hold over the thing.
bucket, yeah.
Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Is that considered cheating?
Nice.
Absolutely, it's considered cheating, and I'm gonna do it. All right, kids, that was cool. All right, we're out of here.